This is the sound you are hearing right now after doing some basic settings in OBS and out of the OBS as well. Hello guys, I'm fixing this microphone today. This is Superlux and there is a volume button, and here you can also listen to your own voice. And this is the laptop and this is OBS, and here first of all you need to connect this one, the microphone, to your laptop. And now this is connected. As you can see, there is a green light here, and this is the volume which we can hear your own sound here. So we will fix this one today, and stay tuned because I tried so many things, and in the end you will find that this sound is perfect. Right now I'm recording with my iPhone, and this was too much noisy in the background. There was too much noise, and I did some settings here in my OBS, so I'll show you how to deal with these kind of things. So let's jump into the video on computer screen so that you will be able to know how to fix these kind of things whenever you are recording and you are doing live streams. So first of all guys, you need to go to this website, and this is the name of website. Here you download this one here for MacBook and Windows, and this is for Mac, this is for VST3, and this is for Windows. I have already downloaded, and I go to my folder here in the on the desktop, and I install this one. This is a plugin. Later on in this video I will show how it works. So install this one and give all the access, and next and next, and it's done. It's only 7 MB file. This is my mic, and I have applied a lot of filters here. And if I turn off, okay, this is my sound now. This is my sound. There is no sound and noise gate. So I unhide all, and this is my sound now. I will delete all these noise suppression, compressor, limiter, and the other one. That way you can keep a note for this setting, and in your OBS I'm gonna delete all these ones. Okay, I deleted this filter as well, and this filter as well, and this filter as well. So now I close, and first you need to go to your microphone advanced audio setting, and here is my external microphone, where it is external mic, and here you need to press this one, monitor outputs, and you can listen to your own voice, so that is there any impact or not, you can monitor whatever you are doing on your screen. So I have, after this one, close this one here, and now go to filter and add your first filter here, and that was noise suppression, and okay. And now this was default, and you can check around like this one and leave it up to -30 dB, and you can play around to check if it works for you or not. In my case it works better in -30 dB. First add a noise gate, and that is this one. Leave it up to, I'm gonna leave it up to -30 or maybe 5 and 26. Okay, and go to this one and another thing, that is a limiter, and in limiter section you bring to -10, 10 and 60 is okay, done. And now you go to plus again, add a compressor here, okay, and leave these settings here. You can change this area, so 8 to 20, that works better for me. In my case it works better. If you leave these settings for a cheap microphone, then it will work better for you as well. All these limiters, if I turn off this one, that's in the background and without noise. If you can see that this is the sound without noise gate, and what it does, it basically, these settings, they reduce the background noise and hiss coming out back from the backside. And if you speak louder like this one, I'm clapping, and it has set a certain limit, this red area, if I show you, it doesn't go up to the limit I have set here in this area, so it will stay no matter I speak louder or in a lower voice, it will stay here. So these settings will definitely bring your a cheap microphone to the next level, and your sound would be better after installation and doing these settings in OBS. And you can also do one more thing in the sound setting here. If this is recording, and tunnel one here, and go to properties and levels and increase. Now this is the sound, and if I bring to the 80 or between 75 to 80, then the background noise would be cancelled. This little bit noise is because I'm wearing a headphone, and this volume button here, if you can see, I'm too close to my microphone, and now if you see here, this is the volume. If I turn like this and down, there is no ping sound in the background, and it's because of the volume. And that's the hands-free, and this is the volume of hands-free. Okay, we are done with these settings, and now we have to add this one plugin we just installed. In this section, if you go this way, plugin, and now you press interface, and it will open the bass boost for your OBS, whatever the plugin you have installed. I was talking about this plugin in the start of this video. So this is the plugin. It helps you to make your sound bassy. So in this section you can press this icon here, little gear, and in this section you can go to bassy, brightness and bassy. So now you can see that these buttons are upside, and you can see the bass boost has been increased. I will check later in the video. And you can also decrease and bring to the back original size here. If I press like this one, double click, and it will go back to the previous position. And if I want to increase the boost and bass here, I can always increase here and increase here and increase if it's for the low volume and a high volume. And here you can decrease like a bit down there, and you can leave up to that place as well. And if you want to increase here, you can also increase. This one works awesome for the external microphone, as you can check this option, and a plugin you downloaded for OBS, and it works better for whatever you're doing on the external microphone. So this was one option I was talking about, and you check others as well. Now you can close, and that's already in the system. So you can now, without noise cancellation, this is the sound. With the noise gate, this is the sound. And now limiter, this is the sound. And now compressor, this is the sound. Without after hiding them, and without hiding them, and without let them work. So I hope that this video has added some value in your life, and if you like it, thumbs up. And if you fix your microphone, then subscribe this YouTube channel. I would really need your support, and I will see you in another video next time. Bye bye.